Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar has said the Karnataka's 5 government guarantee schemes are a financial burden on the state treasury, but assured that the benefits will not be stopped for genuine beneficiaries. D.K. Shivkumar repeated his earlier remarks and said there is no need to revise or withdraw the guarantees. However, he stressed that benefits wrongly taken in the names of dead people must be stopped. He said the schemes were introduced to strengthen families both financially and mentally, especially during times of distress. His comments triggered a political debate in the state. While the Indian National Congress defended the continuation of welfare schemes, the Bharatiya Janata Party criticized the government, alleging that development work was being delayed because of the financial pressure caused by the guarantees. The 5 guarantees include Gruha Jyoti, which provides 200 units of free electricity, Gruha Lakshmi, under which women heads of families receive 2,000 rupees per month, Annabhagya, which offers 10 kg of rice to BPL families, Yuvanidhi, providing 3,000 rupees to unemployed graduates and 1,500 rupees to diploma holders, and Shakti, which allows free bus travel to women within Karnataka. Shivkumar said the main goal of these schemes is to keep money in people's hands and maintain public confidence during difficult times, despite the strain on the state finances. Chief Minister Siddaramaiah and other leaders also reiterated that both development and welfare would continue. Siddaramaiah stated that nearly 1.2 lakh crore rupees has already been spent on the guarantee schemes.